rang ba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma menta kalai phau tarik jalio arhaja arphaulai ulai thu ba ka Jingpynkhreh penkrum ka sarkar India banwan ra ya ka Jingpynklla ya ka 6 schedule kalayat chat bat kalapoi shaka khandai phausan person ai menta ulaong ba kidon katu kat ne ki benta hakabala poi ka Jingmanjur bat satang katu kat ne ki badang sa bat ka sarkar jala kadang yakran bat ka district council bat kumju ka sarkar India halor kani
We have been speaking regularly to the district councils, and unofficially a lot of talks have taken place, and even in the past official talks also have taken place, and we are in continuous touch with Government of India. There are few areas we have seen that almost 95% of the concerns have already been addressed. There are few only issues that are left, and we are going to be in fact discussing with the district councils. This has already been communicated to them some time back. So yes, the process is on, and we would like to see that this particular amendment also, once agreement comes and there is consensus from everywhere, we would hope that this should go through.